Most men think passion fades over time, but what if I told you that with just a few small changes, you could make every intimate moment unforgettable? Today, we're diving into the 5 most powerful bedroom positions that not only boost pleasure but also strengthen your emotional connection. If you want to keep her thinking about you long after the lights go out, stay right here. The power of emotional and physical connection. A truly unforgettable bond between partners isn't built only on physical attraction, it's about understanding each other's deepest desires and needs. Real intimacy combines passion, empathy, and awareness, allowing both partners to feel valued and fulfilled. Today, we explore the art of intimate connection and uncover 5 powerful bedroom positions that can maximize pleasure, strengthen emotional bonds, and turn your moments together into something truly extraordinary. Bringing inner strength into the bedroom. In life, strength and determination help us face challenges with courage. That same mindset can transform your intimate experiences. When you approach the bedroom with dedication, curiosity, and a desire to satisfy your partner fully, you create an environment where pleasure thrives. Ask yourself, how can I make every intimate moment unforgettable for my partner? The answer begins with attention, understanding, and a willingness to explore together, spooning, intimacy wrapped in comfort. One of the most emotionally connected positions is spooning. Both partners lie on their sides, with the man behind the woman, creating a cocoon of closeness. This position allows for deep G-spot stimulation while also giving easy access to the clitoris, offering a combination of sensations that can lead to intense pleasure. The body-to-body contact creates security and warmth, making this an excellent choice for couples who value emotional closeness as much as physical satisfaction. Doggy style, deep penetration and control. According to surveys, doggy style is a top favorite among adults aged 35 to 44 in the UK. The woman gets on all fours while the man enters from behind, holding her hips for stability. This position allows for deeper penetration, G-spot stimulation, and the ability to adjust angles for maximum pleasure. For many women, the feeling of controlled rhythm combined with physical intensity makes this position irresistible. The cougar position, women in command. When a woman is on top, she gains complete control over depth, speed, and rhythm, perfect for maximizing her own pleasure. In the cougar position, she can adjust her body to find the exact friction angle for clitoral stimulation while enjoying the closeness of her partner's body. This is also a visually engaging position for both partners, intensifying arousal and deepening the connection. The alignment technique, maximizing clitoral stimulation. For women who find it harder to climax during penetration alone, the alignment technique is a game changer. It's similar to missionary but with a twist. The woman keeps her legs together while the man positions himself with legs apart. This increases pressure against the clitoris during penetration, making it easier to reach orgasm. This position combines intimacy with intense physical stimulation, perfect for couples who want both emotional and physical satisfaction. The screw position, heightened sensations. In this position, the woman lies on her back with legs fully extended upward, crossing them slightly while the man holds her ankles for stability. The screw position allows for deeper penetration and heightened sensations for both partners. This technique often leads to powerful, synchronized orgasms, making it ideal for couples seeking intense pleasure and connection. Why knowing your partner's weak points changes everything. Every person has unique pleasure triggers. By understanding your partner's sensitive zones, whether physical or emotional, you can tailor each intimate moment to her needs. This not only increases physical satisfaction but also strengthens trust, emotional safety, and the overall bond in the relationship. Open communication about preferences and fantasies creates a safe space for exploration, keeping intimacy alive and exciting. Final words, build more than just passion. Great intimacy isn't just about physical positions, it's about creating a safe, loving space where both partners feel understood and appreciated. Whether you're trying spooning for deeper closeness, doggy style for intense pleasure, or the alignment technique for heightened stimulation, remember that connection comes first. Explore, experiment, and make each experience unique, because your relationship deserves more than just routine, it deserves passion, depth, and unforgettable moments. If you found this guide valuable, hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel, Stoic Siren, for more expert tips on love, intimacy, and personal growth. Drop your experiences and thoughts in the comments. Let's build a community where deeper connections thrive. Every woman has hidden desires, and if you can unlock them, you'll be the man she never forgets. In this video, we'll reveal 5 game-changing bedroom positions that don't just increase pleasure, but build a connection so strong, she'll crave you even more. 2. Great intimacy isn't just about passion, it's about knowing exactly how to please her, every single time. Stick with me as we explore 5 proven positions that will elevate your performance, intensify her pleasure, and create unforgettable nights. 3. If you think all bedroom positions are the same, think again. The right moves can spark her deepest desires, strengthen your bond, and make you unforgettable in her eyes. Today, I'll show you 5 positions every man should master for maximum connection and pleasure.